It's uncomfortable, right?
Very.
Okay, so then we'll try now the hiccup way.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the much more you can drink and swallow it, it will stay longer because. Yeah. By the way, did you put in an adult or a child? You know which?
It's an adult.
Adult. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for. You're good. Thumbs up. I'm glad it worked for you. Thank you.
The straw that he was using here is this new hiccup straw from Shark Tank. It's been blowing up over the past few months after this episode, and for good reason. This is what it looks like. So it looks just like a normal straw, but it's designed in a way to generate enough pressure when you drink water through it to stop the hiccups. They recently added them to the TikTok shop here and are running a massive Black Friday sale. So if you guys want to grab one for yourself, I'll add them right here to the video.